In this video, I will be showing you how to open expired link in Telegram. It appears that your Telegram link is broken and that your web browser is having trouble opening it or even your application when you click on a Telegram link and discover that the website or the link can't be accessed. Sometimes the web browser doesn't apply or even the application isn't working. This could occur if you are kicked out of or banned from a specific channel or group. To open that link again, if you have an extra phone, use it to open the link using a different Telegram account to fix the issue. Rejoin the channel again or ask someone to copy the link and send it to you. You can even go back to that specific channel, go to Files, tap Link, and see if the link is still working. To make it short, you can open this link to web browser, rejoin the channel, or ask someone to open this link for you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.